Hello everybody, this is me Johan here. Now Realme recently launched two budget phones under Rs 10,000. The Realme C12 and the Realme C15. The Realme C12 starts at Rs 8,999 and the C15 at Rs 9,999. Now looking into the specs, both are exactly identical. They both have a 6.5-inch 720p LCD display with a water drop notch, Corning Gorilla Glass for protection, powered by the MediaTek Helio G35 octa-core processor, dual SIM 4G along with a micro SD card expansion, an enormous 6000 mAh battery, a headphone jack. They both come out of the box with Realme UI 10. Both look identical as well and come in the exact same colors, power blue and power silver. Despite all the similarities, why does the base C15 cost Rs 1000 more than the C12? There are two differences between these two. One, the camera setup on the C15 has 4 cameras on the back compared to 3 cameras on the C12. For people who use cameras quite often, the C15 has, apart from the identical 13 megapixel primary sensor on the C12, also an 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera, which the C12 lacks. The remaining 2 rear cameras on both the phones are 2 megapixel cameras. As far as selfies go, the C15 scores over the C12 over here too, having a higher 8 megapixel resolution compared to the lower 5 megapixel resolution on the C12. The second difference between these two phones is in the charging speed support. The C12 supports up to 10 watt fast charging, while the C15 supports all the way up to 18 watt fast charging, which should technically, if used, charge the C15 up a lot faster than the C12. To conclude, if you are a person who wants an ultra-wide camera and wants a slightly better camera experience, as well as particular about your phone supporting up to 18 watt fast charging, the Realme C15 for extra Rs 1000 is a better choice. For those who want more space and better performance, the 4GB RAM, 64GB variant at Rs 11,000 would be the better choice. For a normal basic user who has a tight budget under 10K, the Realme C12, which comes in one variant, the 3GB RAM 32GB variant, would be more than sufficient.
So that's it for me today, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys loved the video, I'd appreciate it if you guys could give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do hit the bell icon so that you all get notified with the latest and greatest videos the second they are uploaded on YouTube by me. So what else can I say? Wishing all of you a tremendous day ahead of you. Ciao for now.